Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Al Gates, creating new rules in YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to create birthday invitation with Canva. Let's go. We'll go through one by one, step by step procedure. Step 1. Navigate templates. In search bar, you can type birthday invitation. Step 2. Type our occasion, example, birthday invitation. Step 3. Select filters, select style, theme and color. Step 4. Select free templates. If you have Pro enabled, you can also select Pro for better selection. Step 5. Use template and customize as your own design. Step 6. Upload your images. Now your images are uploading. Once uploaded, then tap and drag your image, then resize your image. Resize the image and adjust the position. After positioning image and text, and then adjust the transparency level. Modify the text as per your occasion. Change the text colors. Step 7. Go to the search and type text or bold. Select font style and adjust the font size. You can also select the template text, modify the text. Select one or two font to avoid mess up. Step 8. Modify the text alignment and add effects. Now your design is almost ready. Animate the text as you like. Go to the edit image and then adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation as you like. Use filters as you like. You can also add the elements. Step 9. Go to the elements and add elements. There is thousands of free templates in Canva. Step 9. Save your image. Canva always automatically save your file, or else go to the file and save your image. Step 10. Download your image in different formats: PNG, PDF, JPEG, MP4 and TIFF file. Step 11. You can also share your design directly in social media pages. Thank you for watching.